I'm saying these people cheating out there because you can't drive it, you go fast. Dylan's here.
2024 starts now.
In 2023. Oh,
yeah.
It's so cold. Why is it so cold, Dylan? Is it this cold
it's
down
Christmas
south?
time. Yeah, it is. Yeah, -2.
Ooh.
And then it hasn't got any warmer up here.
It's not warm.
So
It's not warm. So we've got a little side project going on. We're messing about with that, obviously, as you've seen. But we just wanted to see what a little bit of sneakiness can do to your lap time. So Dylan's going to go out in this car as it raced last year and see how fast it can go, and then obviously not timing because it's a track day, but see how fast it can go, and then we're going to give it another, I think we'll put the dyno graphs up, I think it's another 40 or 50 horsepower. I'd like to get it another 100 and see what that did, but that's all we could get in the time scale we had, and then see how much faster it goes. So lap time as it is, the lap time with cheetah spec. So it feels good compared to how you've drove it before, but you want more power, is that what we're saying?
drivability is good.
Yeah.
Because you can
You can
stretch it
match
out
it.
into third gear a little bit more, and you're not short shifting.
So with more power you're going to short shift more, you think?
Oh yeah, massively.
Yeah. Harry's giving us big power. Harry's tuner for the day. Let's see what Dylan can do with all his power, eh? Difference?
Plays with your head a little bit.
Yeah?
Because you don't really notice the speed so much.
Yeah.
Until you get to the braking zone. You hit the brakes where you did before, and it's like, oh, I've got all this extra momentum to deal
Right.
with.
So 40 horsepower is 2 seconds a lap.
So drivability is like really difficult. You're like
harder to
short
get.
shifting.
Yeah. But basically, what we're trying to prove with this, all these cheating people that can't drive but seem to like get near to the front of the pack, they've probably got 40 or 50 horsepower more. That's what we reckon, don't we?
I'd say, what was the difference? 60 horsepower.
50-ish.
50 horsepower.
Yeah, 40 to 50.
Right,
yeah.
so 25 horsepower per second,
Yeah. Yeah.
basically.
So that could definitely cover up a bad driver and a good driver.
Easily.
Yeah.
Easily.
So for all you cheaters out there, we know how much power you've got now.
I'm not saying anyone's cheating though, right?
But there's loads of you out there. I'm saying there's people cheating out there because you can't drive it, you go fast.
With the drivability of it is now, you have to pretty much feather it, get it straight and then go.
Yeah.
Otherwise all that power's wasted as well.
But obviously if we tuned it, we've got the throttle nice.
If you are going to cheat, you have to still know how to get it out, get the most out of it. So.
Yeah.
No, it's good.
To stop cheating.
Makes a big difference.
Yeah, sweet. So we'll try and turn this into a video, but yeah, the difference in horsepower makes a difference in lap times, because a lot of the people you talk to say even if you can't drive and blah blah blah, it makes no difference. So, yeah, sweet.